Hey, welcome back to my channel. HornBlasters 1/2 manual train horn valve. This 1/2 inches train horn valve is perfect for those wanting complete control over their horns. This valve allows precision control over airflow and is recommended for Nathan Airchime, Leslie, and other genuine train horns. This product contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer, birth defects, or other reproductive harm. Full control HornBlasters manual valve offers full metered flow control to your horns. These are a near-perfect replica of what you would find on an actual train. Heavy-duty construction, these valves are built to last. This valve will endure water and dust without a problem. High-flow valve or manual valve offers superior flow over other manual valves on the market. This valve features 1 2-inch FNPT ports for the most demanding horns. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.